Hi guys, welcome to DaisyElleHookery. This is our Kiss series, keep it short and sweet, and today we're going to cast off a knit rib using a crochet hook. So in any of my patterns, if you've used the knitted rib, this is how you would cast off, ready to crochet the piece onto the top of the ribbon. So I've done just a few rows, a few stitches of knit rib. Knit one, purl one. You're going to hold the yarn the same as you would for crochet in your left hand with the piece, and you're going to take your hook. Now I always use a hook that's either the same size as my knitting needle or half a size up. So I've got a 4.5mm needle and a 5mm hook, as you can see there. So we don't want this video to be too long. So to begin with, you're going to keep the yarn behind. You're going to slide in your crochet hook as though you're knitting the stitch. You're going to put the yarn over, pull it through and slide that off. Chain one on the first one. Onto the next stitch, insert your crochet hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, slide that stitch off. You've now got 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through, insert your crochet hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and slide the stitch off, yarn over and pull through both loops, and you're going to do that all the way along. So hook in, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and do that for every stitch along your knitted rib. It can be a little bit fiddly if you've got quite a few. By the time you get a few stitches in, you certainly get the hang of it. Keep your last rib knit fairly loose so that you can get your crochet hook in. You don't want to be working that final row too tightly. And then when you get to the end stitch, do the same. Now what you'll want to be doing, obviously you do that in your rib colour. What you want to be doing is finishing this rib off. So cut your yarn and pull it through. That gives a lovely stretchy top. So for hats, etc., it's perfect. It moves. It's just as stretchy as the bottom. When you go to continue on, this would be the right side, because you've got like the imitation pearl stitches, you know, like a garter stitch at the back. So when you rejoin your new colour, if you're putting a second colour on the top and you rejoin your new colour, this would be the right side. So you would start over on the right hand side of your work. So you don't continue on from where you've finished your cast off rib, your cast off row there. You start back over this side, and that's where you'd be pulling that through. So that's how you cast off a knit rib using a crochet hook. I hope you've enjoyed this short little video. Like I say, it's keep it short and sweet. Subscribe. We've got something like 70 videos in the series, all coming your way in the next couple of weeks. So I'll see you again. Bye.